Facebook is a platform that a lot of people overlook, even myself included. For the longest time, I didn't think that it was possible to grow an audience and make substantial amounts of money from it, until my eyes were truly opened. Today, I'm going to be sharing the best ways to make money through Facebook, going from the least profitable to the most profitable. First, let's talk about Facebook stars, and this is best for personality content. Now, if you're familiar with TikTok and YouTube, then you will know that there's a gifting system. For TikTok, it's called TikTok gifts, and for YouTube, it's called super chats. Now, with Facebook, it is the exact same thing, but it's just called Facebook stars. Now, for 100 stars, it's around £1, and I'm not too familiar with the other things that you can buy on there, but that's just the price to buy 100. How you receive these is the exact same way through other social media. You can rather receive or give them through a live stream, or you can send them through comments. However, if you're somebody that wants to receive the stars, then you need to give people a reason to send you them in the first place. It can be numerous different things that you can do. Rather, you could provide value, you could provide entertainment, or simply you can give people education. Now, I do have to say, and I'm pretty sure this is common knowledge, that you're not going to make a lot of money through Facebook stars, because you have to have millions and millions of people constantly sending you them, and people get millions of views and not even really 100 people will send them. Now, there's another way that's similar to the star system, but it is way more profitable, and that's actually the monetization on the videos that people will be given stars to in the first place. More specifically, advertisements on your Facebook or your reels. Now, the monetization on the reels are actually good on Facebook. You can actually earn up to $20, maybe even more on certain niches, per 1,000 views. Now, if you're somebody that knows about YouTube, then this is better per 1,000 views than you would get normally on YouTube. So if you're somebody that knows how to capitalize on the short form social medias, then this is something that you should jump on. On average, it's $4 per 1,000 views, but as I previously said, depending on your content matters how much you make, and it also matters what type of advertisement that you're putting on this video. Now, to put that into perspective, even though $4 is low, that's still $4,000 per 1,000,000 views. Now, next up is the performance bonus program. Now, when I heard about this, it really threw me off. This performance bonus program actually rewards creators for making engaging content on their Facebook. Now, if you're wondering why specifically it's engaging content, well, Facebook don't want to pay people if they're not making people engage in the content that they're watching, because Facebook will make more through the ads if people sit there and watch the whole video. Facebook actually pays up to $30,000 per creator in the scheme. Now, this doesn't mean that you're going to earn $30,000 in the click of a finger, but it means over time you can actually earn up to this amount, whether that's in months or years, however long it is. Facebook will actually add up all the engagement and the interaction that you get on your post. So they will add up the likes, the comments, the views, and they'll take this all into one thing, and they'll determine how much that you get for your video. So low engagement, low money. High engagement, high money. These are 3 examples on how Facebook will directly pay you for the content that you make. Whereas these next few examples, I'm going to be showcasing how you can actually leverage an audience to your site where you can make money on your own back. Now, starting off, it's selling physical products. Now, an example of this is Oshi Glows, a woman that mainly makes cooking and food content. She brings people over from Facebook directly to her website where they can purchase a cookbook. She only had to make this cookbook one time, and now she can sell it as many times as she wishes. On top of this, this is a better way for the viewers to get something that's actually tangible, and it's not just something that they'll miss. Whereas it's more deeper than just seeing a random post on your For You page, and you can actually connect with the creator, giving them more of an incentive to buy things in the future if anything comes around. Next up, we have selling memberships. Now, this one is a little bit controversial, however, it can be achieved if it's done correctly. You need to make sure that you're providing people with legitimate value, giving the people reason to keep their subscription with you monthly. This service can be provided by a Facebook community, a private Discord server, a Telegram group, whatever. Now, first, firstly, this is going to take a lot of manual labor from you. Now, in a small group, typically you're going to be looked at as a leader, and a lot of people are going to be getting their value from you. So you need to be the one that's contributing the most out of all the members first. But as the group grows, the other members will be doing most of the work for you. Let's say, for instance, that you make a money group where loads of hustlers can connect, and it's £10 a month. At first, you're going to have to be the one that's posting all the money making methods. Whereas in 2-3 months time, when your group eventually grows itself out, other people are going to come in and say, here's how I made this money, here you can do this. So realistically, you get paid just to be the leader of a group. Now, very similar to this, we have selling courses, which is extremely controversial, and I'll explain all the reasons. Now, a lot of courses are straight up scams. I say this on previous videos and I don't really agree with them. However, not all courses have to be a scammy finance guru course. If you or someone that you know has a talent that they know that they can make money from, then simply sell it. This could be something like video editing, playing an instrument, learning how to music engineer and produce. The list goes on, there's an infinite number of things. As long as you're providing legitimate value and people can see your true colors, then you will be able to make a lot of money from this. A lot of this comes from marketing skills and just posting consistently to entice people to buy your course. But what about money making methods that include neither of those? Well, here are some that a lot of people find very successful. So my personal favorite is actually selling a service. This could be something like video editing, for example, absolutely anything. Facebook is a very good site for finding clients and also getting in retainer clients, which they will constantly come back to you and keep buying your service. We also have selling a software. Now, this one isn't very common, but if you manage to break through in the market, I promise you can be very successful in this, and let me explain why. Like physical products, you only have to make it once and you can sell it an unlimited amount of times. This could be something like a scheduling service for different companies, for example. People will pay to use your software on retainer, which is a subscription fee, or they'll outright pay it on a one-time fee, and they will find a way to use your software if it's useful enough to use in their business. And finally, we have selling one-on-one coaching. This could be something like playing an instrument, for an example, or it could be something that you have a lot of talent and knowledge in that you can share onto others. You can sell one-on-one coaching to people and they will pay to learn it from you. Something that I could do, for instance, is one-on-one coaching for YouTube. I know how to grow YouTube channels, and that's knowledge that I could sell hourly or until they reach a certain threshold in their channel. People have also converted some insane views from Facebook to platforms like TikTok and YouTube. All three of these monetized platforms can make you insane amounts of money. If you believe that this video gave you any value, then please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.